welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another Korean skincare brand to review and share with you guys. So basically, I received 3 different products from a Korean skincare brand called iUNIK. Like 1 to 2 months ago, they contacted me and asked if I would like to pick 3 different products to try out. So after doing a quick read up on their brand, I decided to give this brand a go because at the same time, I also ran out of my previous skincare products from Manfrotto. Now, like I said, I received these products like 1 to 2 months ago, so this review is long overdue. But at the same time, I think it's good because I've been using these products for over a month now, so I think that will really help make this review more accurate and helpful. So the brand iUNIK focuses on minimalistic skincare, which is why the packaging of their products are all very simple and clean looking. The term minimalistic skincare also means simplifying your skincare routine, so do not expect a 10-step Korean skincare routine with iUNIK. So starting with the very first product, I decided to pick the Tea Tree Relief Toner, mainly because I have oily skin and this toner is recommended for people with oily and sensitive skin. This gentle toner has a blend of both tea tree and Centella asiatica, which are 2 popular ingredients known to be best for treating acne-prone skin. Other than improving your acne condition, this toner also claims to have other benefits such as improving the sensitivity of your skin, relieving sensitive skin, whitening, moisturizing, and wrinkle care. Even though I find it difficult to see drastic improvements on my skin from using toners, I have been enjoying this toner a lot because of how it feels on my skin as well as the scent of it. In my latest skincare routine video, I talked about how I prefer toners that makes my skin feels refreshed. So since this toner has a light and watery texture, it does make my skin feels very refreshed, moisturized, non-oily, and non-sticky. It also has a really lovely mild aroma to it because it contains chamomile oil, and you guys should know that I love anything that has a calming aroma. Moving on to the next product, I decided to pick the Black Snail Restore Serum because I'm turning 26 this year, so I'm trying to actively incorporate more anti-aging products into my skincare routine. So Black Snail is known for its ability to fade dark spots, heal acne scars, and restore the elasticity of your skin, making it one of the most popular ingredients found in Korean beauty products. Apart from the black snail extract, this serum also contains black beans, black sesame, black rice, kelp, and eggplant to boost its anti-aging functions. So because this product comes with a dropper, I simply use 2 drops every night. If you watch my skincare routine video, you'll know that I really like to keep my morning skincare routine as basic as possible, which is why I don't use this during the daytime. Not that I actually recommend you to have a basic morning routine, but it's just that I'm not a morning person, so in the morning I just prefer to sleep than spend more time on my skincare routine. So since this serum contains black snail, the texture is quite gooey and it's kind of like a watery gel texture, and it blends in very smoothly into my skin. For some people, I think this might feel a little bit oily, but for me, I feel like it's more moisturizing rather than oily since I only use this at night. So prior to using this serum, I do have a couple of stubborn acne spots around my jawline, and after using this product, I noticed that the spots actually faded a little bit, which is a very good sign for me, but I cannot guarantee that the spots has faded due to this product, or it might be due to exfoliation, it might be due to time, I don't know. But likewise to my toner, after using this product for a month or so, my skin hasn't reacted badly to it, so I'm definitely keeping this in my skincare routine. So the final product is probably my favorite out of the 3, and it's actually a moisturizer that is suitable for people with dry skin. So this product is called the Glucan Daily Moisture Cream, and the reason why I chose this product is because it contains this main ingredient called beta-glucan, which is an ingredient I've never heard of before. So I thought this would be a really great chance for me to try out a new ingredient for my skin. So even though I have oily skin and this product is suitable for people with dry skin, I actually really like it because the texture of it is not really creamy or oily. It's more of like a really thick gel, so it blends in so smoothly onto my skin and it doesn't make my skin feel oily or sticky in any way. I also love that it comes in this tube packaging because it just makes it a lot more convenient and hygienic to use. You don't have to put your finger in it or a spatula in it. You can just squeeze it out and just makes it so easy to apply. I think the tube packaging also makes it really easy to travel with, which is why I've been bringing this with me to the gym so I can make sure that my skin is well moisturized after I've washed my face. So beta-glucan is an ingredient that is apparently 20% more hydrating than hyaluronic acid, which is an ingredient commonly found in beauty products due to its hydrating properties. So perhaps it's because of that, and perhaps it's because I have oily skin. I noticed that I only need a pea-sized amount every time I use this product, and my skin will feel moisturized for the entire day. Other than its moisturizing function, this cream also has whitening, anti-aging, as well as calming functions, which makes this suitable for people with sensitive skin as well. So this is definitely a product I will consider repurchasing, not only because it does a fab job in keeping my skin hydrated, but also because it's very affordable. In fact, all of the products from iUNIK are very affordable. Like even their serum is less than $30. So if you are interested to get more than one product, make sure to check out their skincare sets, which are basically bundles at discounted price. All in all, I must say that I've been really enjoying these skincare products. My favorite points about them is that they're gentle, they make my skin feel very comfortable, and they are reasonably priced. So if you're interested to find out more in-depth details about each and every product, such as the list of ingredients, feel free to head on over to their website to find out more. As usual, I'll link all the products in the description box below, as well as their main website. So I actually have another Korean skincare review that's going to be due in a couple of weeks. So I'm currently switching over to the new skincare products. So if you have any Korean beauty products that you want me to do a review of or try out, do let me know and I'll try my best to get hold of the products. So yeah, with that said, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!